10 AI tools that save hours every week. What if you could get back 5, 10, or even 20 hours every single week without working harder? Imagine having an AI assistant that writes emails for you, summarizes long documents, creates presentations, edits videos, takes meeting notes, and even helps manage your daily tasks. The truth is, most people are still doing many of these things manually. Meanwhile, smart professionals, students, entrepreneurs, and content creators are using AI to automate repetitive work and save hours every week. In today's video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that can dramatically increase your productivity, even if you're a complete beginner. And make sure you stay until the end because the final tool is one of the biggest time savers I've discovered this year. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has gone from being a futuristic concept to something we can use every day. The best part? You don't need technical skills or programming knowledge. Most of these tools can be used within minutes, and many offer free versions to get started. Whether you're a student, office worker, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, there's something here that can make your life easier. Let's dive into the first tool. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. If you've heard about AI, you've probably heard of ChatGPT. But many people only use a tiny fraction of its capabilities. Think of ChatGPT as an intelligent assistant that can help with writing, brainstorming, research, planning, coding, learning, and problem solving. Practical example: instead of spending an hour writing a professional email, you can simply write a polite email asking for a project update. Within seconds, you'll have a polished draft. Need a meal plan? Need vacation ideas? Need a summary of a long article? ChatGPT can handle all of that. Time saved. Many users report saving between 5 and 10 hours every week simply by using ChatGPT for everyday tasks. Tool number 2. Grammarly. Writing mistakes can make emails, reports, and documents look unprofessional. That's where Grammarly comes in. It acts like a personal editor that checks grammar, spelling, punctuation, tone, and clarity. Practical example: imagine you're sending an important email to a client. Instead of rereading it 5 times, Grammarly instantly highlights issues and suggests improvements. Its AI can even rewrite awkward sentences to sound more professional. Time saved. If you write regularly for work or school, Grammarly can easily save several hours each week while improving your communication. Tool number 3. Notion AI. Notion is already one of the most popular productivity tools, but its AI features make it even more powerful. Notion AI can summarize notes, generate content, organize information, and help manage projects. Practical example: let's say you attended a 1-hour meeting. Instead of manually organizing your notes afterward, Notion AI can summarize key points and generate action items automatically. Students can summarize lecture notes. Teams can organize projects faster. Business owners can manage workflows more efficiently. Time saved. Many users save hours each week on organization and note-taking alone. Tool number 4. Otter AI. Meetings can consume a huge portion of the workday. And taking notes during meetings often means missing important information. Otter AI solves this problem. It automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes conversations. Practical example: join a Zoom meeting with Otter running in the background. After the meeting ends, you'll receive a complete transcript along with key highlights and action items. No more scrambling to remember what was discussed. Time saved. Professionals who attend frequent meetings can save several hours every week. Tool number 5. Perplexity AI. Traditional search engines often require opening multiple websites to find answers. Perplexity AI takes a different approach. It provides direct answers while citing sources. Practical example: instead of searching, "What are the best investments for beginners?" you can ask Perplexity directly. It will provide a summarized answer and show where the information came from. This dramatically speeds up research. Time-saved researchers, students, and professionals can cut research time in half. Tool number 6. Canva AI creating graphics used to require design experience. Now Canva's AI tools make design incredibly easy. Practical example: need a YouTube thumbnail? Social media post? Presentation slide? Simply describe what you want, and Canva generates design suggestions instantly. Its AI can also remove backgrounds, generate images, and create presentations. Time-saved tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. Tool number 7. ElevenLabs creating voiceovers used to require expensive microphones and recording equipment. ElevenLabs changes that completely. It generates realistic AI voices from text. Practical example: let's say you're creating a YouTube video. Instead of recording your own narration, simply paste your script into ElevenLabs. The platform generates a natural-sounding voiceover in minutes. This is especially useful for faceless content creators. Time-saved content creators can save countless hours on recording and editing audio. Tool number 8. Descript editing videos and podcasts can be intimidating for beginners. Descript makes the process much easier. Practical example: imagine editing a video simply by editing text. That's exactly how Descript works. The software automatically transcribes your recording. Delete words from the transcript, and those sections are removed from the video. It can also remove filler words like and automatically. Time-saved video editing that normally takes several hours can often be completed in a fraction of the time. Tool number 9. Motion. Many people struggle with time management. Motion uses AI to automatically schedule your day. Practical example: instead of manually organizing tasks on a calendar, Motion analyzes deadlines, priorities, and available time. It automatically builds an optimized schedule. If plans change, Motion adjusts everything automatically. Time-saved professionals often save several hours every week on planning and task management. Tool number 10. Zapier AI. This might be the most powerful productivity tool on today's list. Zapier connects different apps and automates repetitive tasks. Its AI features make automation easier than ever. Practical example: imagine receiving an email attachment. Zapier can automatically save it to cloud storage, notify your team, update a spreadsheet, and create a task in your project management software. All without any manual work. You set it up once and let automation do the rest. Time-saved businesses and professionals can save dozens of hours every month. This is one of the highest return productivity tools available today. Quick recap: let's quickly review the 10 AI tools. 1. ChatGPT. 2. Grammarly. 3. Notion AI. 4. Otter AI. 5. Perplexity AI. 6. Canva AI. 7. ElevenLabs. 8. Descript. 9. Motion. 10. Zapier AI. Each of these tools solves a different productivity problem. The key is not trying all 10 at once. Start with 1 or 2 that solve your biggest pain points. Once you see the benefits, gradually add more tools to your workflow. AI isn't about replacing people. It's about eliminating repetitive tasks so you can focus on more valuable work. Whether you're writing emails, conducting research, managing projects, creating content, or organizing your day, there's an AI tool that can help. The people who learn to work alongside AI today will have a major advantage in the years ahead. And the best time to start is now. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Every week, we share the best AI tools, productivity hacks, automation strategies, and practical ways to save time using technology. Also, let me know in the comments, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.